Hey, it is freezing in my house. I accidentally, because my heating is one of those nesty doodads, and it just has a mind of its own. Like, I've only ever set the temperature to go to 18 maximum, but then most nights I wake up at like 1 AM and it's like heat is on to 19, and I'm like, I haven't done this. And my schedule is like 5 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the morning, and then a little bit in the middle of the day for like an hour, and then at bedtime when the kids go to bed. But it just, I don't understand it. So last night I got really pissed off because I was boiling, and so I accidentally turned it to off. And so now the house is freezing. We've been out today. We went to Soft Play in Norwich. Went to Funky Monkeys. I've got the worst headache ever. And Soft Play with approximately 19 million children in it screaming. It was not one of my best ideas, if I'm honest. It really wasn't. But I had cheesy chips and gravy, which were absolutely fucking delightful. I loved that. I went with my friend Rosie and her little boy. Oh, I need a massage. Oh, Christ on a bike. I need a massage. I think that's why I've got a headache. I need a head massage and a neck massage and a back massage. I just want all the massages. I'm tempted to book one. I'm going to try and find someone that can do it that isn't too expensive. Yeah, so I haven't filmed this morning because we were just out. There's loads of other people's kids there, so you obviously can't film when there's other people's children around because that's fucking weird. Ari's on the naughty step. Down there. Get on the naughty step. Sit down. No. Ari, I'm going to double your time. No. Sit down and wait for your timer. No. And then Mika and Fox are in here. Playing Duplo.
Making the giant screw.
Ari's going to come up and tidy her room in a minute, which she's going to love. She's going to be super happy about doing that. No! Yeah, she's on the naughty step because Fox went in to play with her and Mika with Lego, and she shouted at him to get out, which obviously is not acceptable. So she is on the naughty step. She's going to get more minutes because she's just shouted at me again. Yeah. Oh, I am just ready for bed today. Oh, I had a really big sleep last night, and I think whenever I have too much sleep, it just makes me more tired the next day. I crashed really early last night, so it's my own fault. Yeah, I will talk to you when we have our dinner or something because I'm just going to sit and read a book now.